Moneymakers, college basketball early bird special for Thursday, November 17th. Furman versus Penn State. Moneymakers early bird special, 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. It's good karma for you. You might win the lottery. College basketball, Furman versus Penn State. Monica playing Penn State on the money line, full game. Penn State on the money line, full game. Monica king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money 100% free in 1 minute. Monica route. Choo choo, choo choo. Bandit Money Train is rolling. Next stop, Moneyville. Subscribe, support the channel. It's good karma.